dining experience has been launched in Vadodara. Inspired by the bullet train project of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, a new bullet train restaurant has been opened at Seven Seas Mall in the Fatehganj area of the city. The restaurant was inaugurated in the presence of popular Gujarati film actress Shraddha Dangar. Speaking at the launch, mall owner Vijay Agrawal shared that the idea came to him after he travelled on a bullet train during a visit to China in 2016. When the Mumbai Ahmedabad bullet train project was announced in India, he wanted people to experience the feeling of travelling in a bullet train even before the project becomes operational around 2030. To create this experience, a 45-day shoot was conducted on the Mumbai to Vadodara route, and the visuals are now displayed on LED screens inside the restaurant to give visitors the feel of sitting inside a moving train. Around 100 people worked on the project for nearly 3 months to bring this concept to life. Actress Shraddha Dangar praised the effort and said that food lovers visiting the restaurant will get a luxurious dining experience within a reasonable budget. She also thanked the team for inviting her to the inauguration of this unique project.
Hello, this is Shraddha Dangar and I'm here in Baroda for the inauguration of Bullet Multi-Cuisine Restaurant, which is just opened today, and we are really excited to have different kind of cuisine here, and the concept is really different from other restaurants. It has a bullet train vibe, like while having dinner or lunch you can feel actual train, you are passing through so many stations, and you can have your meal with your family and friends. So this is a really good and unique concept here in Baroda. So do visit Bullet Train Multi-Cuisine Restaurant.
I am director of Seven Seas Mall, and as such I am into architecture, practicing architecture since 40 years. And once when I visited China, I had a ride in bullet train, so that was my basic inspiration. Then I thought, why not we introduce bullet train earlier than it actually arrives in India. So using my skill of architecture and my team of workers, this is my humble effort to make ditto Shinkansen E-Tent model, which is being made in Japan right now and going to launch in India. It is our Honorable PM Sri Narendra Modi ji's dream project, and I hope people would like it.
Are available in the restaurant?
It is multi-cuisine restaurant, but right now at present for today, I don't know about tomorrow. As such, there is a scarcity of LPG and rather zero availability of commercial cylinders. We could have managed to get in black market, but no, we didn't. We have for present we have introduced a non-LPG menu. So until we don't get legal LPG, we won't serve multi-cuisine. We will serve only limited 30 items from which one can choose. As soon as LPG supply is legally available, we will go with full-fledged.
So what is the prices compared to other?
At least 20 to 30% less. At least 20 to 30% less than similar restaurants. Thank you.
So we wanted to bring something new for the city of Vadodara. So we thought why not start a restaurant here inside our mall itself. And the space which we had was really linear and it looked like a train. So from that the concept of bullet train came here. So we thought, why not let's make a bullet train here itself. So as you can see, we have made the front facade which looks like a bullet train, and it's like almost exactly like the bullet train which is going to come to India. And as you can see inside also, interior we have tried to mimic a bullet train. On the sides you can see the outside view from what we see from a bullet train. So we have shot the entire video footage from Ahmedabad to Bombay, and we are running the same video on the screens on both the sides. So when you go inside, you can actually feel that you are sitting inside a bullet train and enjoying your favorite meal. And in the menu, we have tried to incorporate mostly all your favorite meals. We have Indian cuisine, we have Italian, we have Mexican, We have Chinese. So whatever cuisine you like, you can come with your entire family and friends and enjoy our special meal here. And we have also collaborated with Munch Caterers, which are based in Baroda. So they have fully supported us to establish the menu and the kitchen here. And I am Braj Agrawal. I am also one of the owners of this restaurant.